Janelle. What day is it? Merry Christmas. Riley's awake too. He said Merry Christmas. Go tell Grandpa Mark Merry Christmas. I think he's in the kitchen.
What? I am on the stairs right now. I didn't exactly want him to run down the stairs.
Merry Christmas.
I slept in your bed.
Where? How I'm having a hard time. Oh, there we go. Do you hear Riley? He knows it's Christmas.